Hey guys, I'm gonna give you the Panigale V4R. Check this baby out. MotoGP inspired. Check out the winglets, a little bit like the Aprilia RSV 4RR is also going the same way. I'm sure they're removable though, but I don't know, they look very built in. A little much for the road though, definitely not for the road. Check them out, wow. Nice little touch on the little badge. Carbon fiber mudguard or front fender. Magicini forged wheels. Very nice. Lovely Brembo. Not sure about this crappy little reflector thing. Not sure what. That's just rubbish. Anyway, I guess it's there for a reason. Check out the rad. Humongous rad. Beautiful forks. Öhlins obviously. Lovely, lovely shark scales. Check them out. But a little BMW RR. Very, very cool though, right? Beautiful little Ducati right there. So lovely tank. Check out the tank. Beautiful brush tank. Lovely black Öhlins. Steering damper. Nice clock. Lovely seat. Lovely little touch on the seat there. V4R. Beautiful wheel. Lovely little Ducati. Actually doubles. I hadn't seen it. There's another one on the other side. See it through there, look. Yeah. Double Ducati, very nice. Love this little carbon fiber cover there as well. It needs it though, because it doesn't look very nice without it. Oh, the rear mudguard should definitely be carbon though. It's not. Cheap plastic, what a shame. On such a machine. Look at that, with a beautiful TTX technology, Öhlins rear shock. That thing is worth bucks, and they put a crappy plastic mudguard on it. What a shame. Ducati down here, double. The rear end, beautiful. As always, feel like an aeroplane. Check it out. Ooh. Onboard view. Nice cockpit, right? And there you go. That's the Panigale V4R 2019 version, MotoGP edition.